Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? And I know it's been long, but it's finally time that we start shooting again and be productive. So today I'm gonna answer question that guys are too afraid to ask girls, and let's just make it a very honest and candid video. And I'm gonna try to be as honest as possible. Okay. So the first question is abs or arms?
Doubt abs.
I think it is gonna be arms for me. I cannot explain, but it's arms for me. Okay. Why do girls say that they aren't that pretty? First of all, there are two types of girls. There is one type of girl who is actually insecure about their body, and probably that is why they say that I'm not that pretty. But then the second time is definitely that girls just want reassurance, like they want you to compliment them, and that is why they say that I'm not that pretty, so that you go ahead and tell them no, you're very pretty. So you get that. And I've seen a lot of girls do that, so that's a very common thing, by the way.
Wait a minute.
Do girls like to make the first move? Honestly, in my opinion, no. I don't like to make the first move because I tried it once and the guy said no. So now that's a different story, but I don't like to make the first move. It's just that after that incident, I don't like it. But I don't know about other girls. Probably they do. Okay. Do girls really have period pain or they're just acting? Bro, no girl would act about it. Like, I can tell you this, that when I have my periods, I'm dying in pain. So no, they're not acting about it, and it's honestly nothing to act about in that situation because you are honestly in so much pain at the time. So yeah. How to get a girl? I'd say be nice to her, treat her well. If you treat her with respect, she's gonna give you the respect back. And yeah, just treat her nice, put in efforts to keep her.
Just try to know her better, right?
Yeah, like,
Instead of just looking by her
yeah,
looks.
yeah.
His or her
Don't just look into the looks. Also look at her personality, appreciate her more, and just appreciate her. Put in efforts. If you really like a girl, put in efforts to get the girl, because girls do like efforts. Okay. Why do girls like makeup so much? Why do guys like shoes so much? Like, what the hell? You guys like shoes and all of that stuff. We like makeup.
Not even girls like shoes, yeah. You cannot.
Even
say
girl,
that.
like, yeah, like,
I am
it's
a
just
crazy fan of all the Air Jordan and all.
yeah, even me too. But then, like, I'm just saying that it's just a choice. Like, initially I did not like makeup at all, but now I love makeup. Like my sister, she doesn't like makeup, so it's a choice. And who are you to say about it? Okay. Would you rather have no hair or no brain? I'd say I'd rather have no hair because I can apply a wig or something, but no brain, no, that's
No,
not happening.
it's like
Why do girls go to the washroom in groups? Okay, see, I'll tell you something about myself, that I go in groups because I'd ask my friends to hold my bag, or we just click pictures in the washroom, like mirror selfies or something. And when we come back from the washroom to the table, it's just weird coming back alone. Like, I don't know if it's just me or it's all the other girls, but it is me. Like, I do not like to come to the table back alone.
and it's more of gossip than
Yeah,
tea.
and then, like, if we are in the washroom, I literally saw this video the other day, but like, so in the washroom we can talk. Like, if we are sitting with a group of people and we want to talk about something, obviously we won't talk at the table, so we come to the washroom and talk about it. You know, we just actively need to talk about every single thing. That is a girl's thing, and that is the thing with me too.
何お前はもう死んでいる。
What do girls girls have in their purse? That depends from girl to girl. Like I usually have money, keys, and probably a lip gloss or something. But yeah, like it depends on girl to girl. Okay. Why do you take so much time to do natural makeup? Because natural makeup takes a lot of time. Like if you want your makeup to look natural, you have to blend a lot, and you just have to blend it to a level where it looks natural. If you don't blend it properly, it's gonna look fake. So natural makeup does take a lot of time because you have to naturally look pretty. So it does take a lot of time. What do you look in a guy? Looks or personality? I'd say personality. Looks are good for a hookup, but if you want to date a guy, personality.
Nice.
What do you see in a guy? Um, First thing obviously थोड़ा सा looks होता है. Like I am into eyes, so I like any guy with good eyes. But like if you're saying कि what do you look in a guy, तो वैसे I'd say he should have a nice personality and good sense of humor is very important. Very important. I hate guys who are dumb. I like guys who are smarter than me. I like guys who have good sense of humor and
Personality.
good personality, and they take care of me because I'm a little kid. What is the biggest turn off for you? The biggest turn off in a guy would definitely be bad breath, bad smell, and the third thing is when guys just are way too jolly, like they want to be the center of attraction. Why can't girls ever decide what to eat? I don't know, bro. If you come to know, tell me, because I can never decide what to eat.
Okay, so this is my question to you because I
You're
am
not a
very
guy.
No, but I am very confused in what I like. I mean, in perspective of what I'm gonna say. So, do you like guys more in hoodies or in like suit, like proper formal suits? Because it's like I love guys in hoodies and in suits, so
Yeah,
I
same.
cannot decide now.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I feel that on a normal basis, hoodies are good. But then if it's like a date night or you're just going out, I feel a good suit is nice. Like, I know it's not that common, but I do love guys in suit. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you liked it. And if you have any more questions, comment down below. I'm gonna try to answer everything. I always answer each and every comment. So comment down below with more questions if you have any. Yeah, and that was the video. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.